In this video, I will show you to add a blog page in your Squarespace website. Here you can go back, then click here website. Then click on the pages, scroll down. After that, click here plus button. Then on the left side, here you can see these are the different pages content. If you want to add the blog page, then scroll down. Here you can find out this one, blog. Now the next step is you need to select the style for the blog page. So these are the different designs that you can pick up. Let me select this one. After that, here you can change it to anything. Then click here. Now let's go back. If you want to add this page in the navigation menu, then drag it at the top. Here you can see pages edit. Now if you want to change anything, then you can simply click here edit. After that, you can change anything on this page. Now let's go back. And after that, from here you can easily add different styles, and you can easily add the blog images in the media library.